Croeso nôl.
Croeso nôl. Reit te, mae gennym ni westeion arbennig, special guests heddiw.
Very special guest.
2 o westeion, ac mae nhw'n ŵr a gwraig, husband and wife. Aran a Catrin. Rwan mae Aran a Catrin yn byw ym Mynytho, Penllyn, gyda'i plant Angharad Lliar a Beino Llyn. Cutie pies, ydyn nhw hefyd? They are, cutie pies. Rwan te, Aran a Catrin a Iestyn sydd wedi sefydlu established Say Something in Welsh. Dych chi wedi clywed ni'n siarad am Say Something in Welsh? Cwrs ar-lein, an online course, gwych i ddysgu Cymraeg, ond hefyd, did you know, you can dysgu Sbaeneg hefyd, rwan.
Really? Say something in Spanish?
Spanish.
Yeah.
You're a genius, Matt.
I am a genius. About time somebody said that on television. Thank you.
Reit te, iawn, felly dyn ni'n mynd i siarad am y cwrs, a hefyd, dyn ni'n mynd i siarad gydag Aran, achos mae Aran wedi dysgu Cymraeg. He's got the experience o you'd never think when you speak to him.
Yeah.
Bod e wedi dysgu, ond mae e wedi dysgu. And he actually competed in Dysgwr y Flwyddyn pan o'n i'n cyflwyno when I used to present it.
Really?
Blynyddoedd yn ôl. Reit te, y wers. Okay, some nice easy ones. Righty, which means...
Do you?
Do you?
Did you?
Do you?
Do you?
No,
Do.
no.
You do.
You do.
You do.
Da iawn.
Roiti.
Da iawn.
Oiti.
Do you?
Do you?
Ardderchog. Nes ti, different tense.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you? Yeah.
Did you?
Did you?
Just stop there.
I will.
Nes ti, da iawn.
Nes ti.
Plural wedyn. Dych chi?
Dych chi... Do you?
The same.
Dych chi'n
ond plural.
gwbod?
Yeah, you know.
That's where I remember it from, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Neithoch chi?
No idea.
Right. To make it easier to pronounce,
How do we do this at home? Because these words are really difficult.
Yeah.
They are.
Mae'n haws ac yn fwy naturiol if you drop the oo. So you just say neithoch chi.
Neithoch chi.
Yeah.
Neithoch.
Os nawn ni edrych ar neithoch chi, if you're asking them both a question, when did you establish Say Something in Welsh? So you put when in front, which is...
Wneithoch?
Pryd.
Pryd.
Yeah.
Pryd. Oh, yeah, of
So you
course.
say
Yeah, sorry, so.
Pryd.
Pryd. Wneithoch. Chi.
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough to say.
Is
Pryd
it?
wneithoch chi.
You can try and drop the oo, it's easier. Pryd neithoch chi.
Pryd wneithoch chi.
Yeah. Pryd
Okay, I
neithoch
got that.
chi. Yeah.
Okay.
Establish ydi sefydlu.
Sefydlu.
Yeah.
I've
Pryd
heard it
neithoch chi sefydlu.
Pryd wneithoch chi sefydlu. Say something Welsh. Say something Welsh.
If you wanted to ask Aran, iawn, un cwestiwn, when did you dysgu Cymraeg using T?
Pryd wnest ti dysgu Cymraeg.
Da iawn. And when did you establish Say Something in Welsh? Plural?
To the both of them.
Both of
And that would be pryd wneithoch chi
Sefydlu.
Say something Welsh.
Perffaith,
Okay.
da iawn. Nesa.
Okay.
Dalen nesa.
Faint.
Faint. What does that mean, ti'n gwybod?
Faint, how many? Faint o bobl, how many people?
Yeah.
Sy'n
Yeah.
dysgu Cymraeg.
So, exactly. Faint o bobl sy'n dysgu Cymraeg? How many people use? Beth ydi use?
Oh, he's up there somewhere.
Defnyddio.
No, he wasn't. Defnyddio.
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 So, faint o bobl sy'n defnyddio Say Something in Welsh?
Faint o bobl sy'n defnyddio Say something Welsh.
How many people are learning Spanish with you?
Faint o bobl sy'n dysgu Spaneg.
Sbaeneg.
Sbaeneg. Gyda Say something Spaneg. Sbaeneg.
Say something in Sbaeneg.
Sbaeneg.
Yeah,
Spanish.
No, gyda chi. With
Gyda
you.
chi.
Right, tra ti'n ymarfer dy neithoch chi, and your nesties,
Nist.
beth am yn i weld clip o bar ti Say Something in Welsh y llynedd?